Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are in our home office where I do a lot of video editing and my wife also works from home. I've been meaning to fix this door for the longest time. It creaks and it squeaks a little bit. My intuition tells me I need to fasten this down and use some WD-40. We're gonna try that out and see if it gets better. Okay, that went pretty well. I thought it would be a little bit harder and I would need to remove this to put petroleum jelly in there, but fastening this down and using a little bit of WD-40 really worked. My wife got me this as a little Christmas stocking stuffer. Super happy it was able to help us for this part, and everything is pretty smooth and pretty quiet, not making too much squeaky noises. Video number 143 done.